Hello guys, so we are going to make an intro for YouTube. So I'm going to create an intro using this website called as Panzoid, and it's a very powerful and free tool which we can use for our intro and outro. So simple as this, just name it and you have it. It's basically ultimate, very simple to use, and attachments. That's it. Select a clip and let's see what we can do. Let's see. It's kind of simple and good. So I like this one, so wanna see how it is. And how is not in her. And how is not in her. And how is not in her. Yes, it is. Or stop it at 0 seconds. Just pull it up here and let's get started. So we are going to go to the basic settings and set the frame rate to 60 so we get a good high quality video, and it's 8 seconds. It differs from intro to intro. It depends on your choice, and let's see. So if you like how it looks, just don't touch anything in it. If you wanna add particles, some extra effects, then you could just play with it, and if it's not to your liking, just go to the previous one and open again. That's simple. So let's change our name and things. So here we are. It's camera, music, download, about and objects. Everything in it are considered as objects. So let's see. Here it is. The text group. You see the text. Let's cancel it and camera. One. Okay, let's see how it goes. hope is not enough. Just a second. So it didn't change for some, I don't know, just changed it and let's retype it. Grammar. Okay then, here it comes. So let's see. Is not enough. And hope is not enough. And we need to change its size, thickness. Let's change it to 5 so it could be complete with it. And let's see how it is. And it's great. I think so. Don't touch anything if you like how it is. So if you want to change, there's so many things you could do very much easily, and something this could change, so hold things up and hope is not enough. That's pretty much simple it. And if you wanna give some effects, you can try here. Blue very thicker. And hope is not enough. Clearer, so notch station shakes. It's a, if you want to change something up, just stop it and change it, so the color represents the things you are doing, and that's pretty much it. That's all. So if you don't like the background music or something else, just select this and choose an audio file. That's pretty much simple about it. And you click here the balance, so download button, and extreme quality. So I wanted in so big quality, just so what's this extremely slow. I prefer the good quality or balanced, so you get an like a 1080p or 2K picture. And don't touch it, it's just simple. Just start the video and recolor, and it will be doing its work now. So our main thing is, do not do other things when you are the things rendering. Damn, it's 31 minutes. So if you use this, this is gonna stop, definitely gonna stop. So definitely do not use that. It's definitely gonna stop. Please do not use that. I have already tried 2 to 3 times. It's always hacking it up, and after you finished it, just use it in your as intro or others. I can show you how it's automatically done in YouTube in the next videos or coming videos. Thank you.